Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2017 Mercedes-Benz A200D AMG line. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. To begin with the exterior, you can see you have the Cosmos black metallic paintwork, which is an optional feature. The vehicle is an AMG line model, which means as standard you have the AMG design alloy wheels, which are 18-inch alloys. You have the daytime running lights at the front, the AMG unique front and rear styling with the silver exhaust pipes at the rear, as well as the AMG interior styling, including the half leather and half fabric seating. The AMG design steering wheel with cruise control accessible from the left-hand side. You also have keyless start accessible from the right-hand side of the steering wheel, infotainment controls, storage compartments, and the luxury climate control functions accessible from the center console, as well as your radio controls, as well as your central screen controls and the central screen itself, where you can access features such as your radio, Bluetooth functions, different drive modes, and also the reversing camera, which is an optional feature on this particular model, including parking sensors as well. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.